To set up a floor plan for your restaurant in the POS, go onto the side menu bar and click on Floor Plan. Click on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner to start editing. Now, you can add new tables to your floor plan. Click on the New Table button in the upper right corner, and you can select either a rectangular or a circular table. Then, you can click on the pencil icon on the new table to customize it. You can add more seats, select the amount of seating sides, edit the table number, select the turnover time, and also select if the table allows multiple parties at once. Apart from tables, you can configure your restaurant's zones. To add a new zone, click on the three dots in the upper right corner and click on New. Give your new zone a name and you can start adding tables into your brand new zone. After you have made all of the changes, click Save, and you will now be able to see the new edits in your floor plan. You can return to the Register page on the side menu bar and start taking down orders from your clients seated on the newly added tables.